Today is guitar unboxing day. I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
So excited.
So excited!
Beyond excited.
Hello, welcome to another installment of my channel. This is an unboxing of a 1950s, it's called a 50s Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster in Butterscotch Blonde. It is a new old stock, so it's about 7 years old. This was found at a dealer's place that was selling out, and it was back in one of the storerooms. It's 7 years old, never been touched, but it's an awesome guitar from what I've seen in here. But here it is, and we're going to do an unboxing, which is going to be exciting. Let's see. Well, there's the headstock, but let's get it unboxed. But anyway, there it is. Woo, boy, she's pretty. Wow, check that out. Butterscotch Blonde, looks like a pine body. Oh, wow. Craftsmanship. It's really there. They really outdid themselves on these classic vibes. They are unbelievable. Wow. Ooh. Almost in tune. Went on a long journey. Can't explain the technology they use, but somehow I don't understand it. Maybe somebody can explain that to me in the comments below. But anyway, looks like we'll plug it in a minute, see how she sounds.
Am I the only one that sees this guy is full of shit?
You know, I'll get to the sound check in a moment, but it's kind of driving me crazy that, I mean, come on, what did we just witness? How in the world do you get a guitar that size down into this box? Then I happen to notice on the packing that there's the answer right there, shrinky-dink wrap. So it's apparently a new technology that just came out for shipping, but good grief. Paid $12.69 to ship this thing in this small of a box, where a full-size guitar and a full-size box would cost you around 60 or 70 bucks. So, wow, some major savings. But I don't know what this shrinky-dink wrap costs, but shoot, I'm in. Sign me the up. Try not to cuss. But anyway, I'll, you know, what if I want to return this thing, though? Can I even get it back in this box? I don't know. I guess I could try. It was okay. Yeah, let me get this back in the box just for shits and giggles. Let's see if I could possibly package this thing back up and, you know, get it ready to return. But anyway, let's see. I'm guessing that it goes like that. Goes around the body. I don't know. Huh. Okay, let's get her done. All right. Oh. Oh. Wow.
I must be the only one that says that this guy is full of shit.
No way. Huh. Huh. It fits. That's crazy. Oh wow. Ready to return. I'm not going to return it, but dang, that is some cool technology. I'm not an expert on new technology, but that's badass. It really is. Gonna order me some shrinky dink wrap. today's sponsor is Shrinky Dink Wrap. Where the package is too big, you want to send a boat, hey, send it in about a 24 by 24 box. We can ship a boat, a full-size boat. We should just wrap it in Shrinky Dink Wrap. I'm sure it's expensive.
Hey Marvin, there ain't no such thing as shrinky-dink wrap.
Still blows my mind, but anyway. It's tight. I mean, it's a tight fit, but dang, got to do a sound check. I got sidetracked by a piece of something that looks like styrofoam called Shrinky Dink Wrap, and I don't know. It's got to be expensive. I heard there's some kind of molecular structure that goes on that actually, it's like a microwave. You know how it takes the particles and moves them through sound waves. Well, what this does is it shrinks it meticulously through molecular structures that are in the wood. Apparently, the wood is the only thing shrinking in this. Don't quote me on that, but it's got to be. How else could you fit in there? Anyway, I'm gonna cut this off and get this thing ready for a sound check, so we can get this. Like that. Boy, it's tight. Yeah. All right. Okay. Getting everything ready for the sound check. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
You're still here.
Overall, I'd say the electronics are good, not the best. If I were to play this out, they feel a little bit on the harsh side running it through a Celestion equipped little tube amp. I would say it's above average, but the pickups do sound just a little harsh. It doesn't have that smoothness. They might have been wound a little bit too much, a little overwhelmed, because the bridge pickup definitely has that harshness, and even the neck pickup, and in between, I'm getting kind of a. But other than that, that could be easily remedied if you were going to pick this for your regular player. But to be honest with you, the pickups are okay, good. I would say they're just good. They're not fantastic, but gotta be careful. Copyright strikes. I want to break into a song that everybody knows, but you can't do that on YouTube. So I just play some generic stuff that isn't somebody else's. But anyway, that's how the cookie crumbles in the YouTube world now. Everybody's doing copyright strikes against people. So you gotta just play something that, that you gotta make up on the spot, maybe.
Please like and subscribe and tap the notification bells